Here's a way that you can save $200 a month on your mortgage by doing this exact thing. So when you first buy a home, you have what's called principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, right? Your principal and interest is going to stay the same. It's fixed. That's what you're paying every month for 30 years. What goes up and down is going to always be your property taxes and your homeowner's insurance. Well, here's a quick way to save the $200 that it probably went up, or the $250 that it probably went up. The first thing I would do is call your mortgage and ask why it went up. I guarantee you it's probably because there was a shortage in your escrow account. So what that means is that the mortgage company had basically put a budget on what they thought the property taxes and your insurance will be. At the end of so every month you're putting money into your escrow. You're paying your mortgage and your interest, and then a little bit goes to escrow for insurance and property taxes. And so at the end of the year, let's say your bill for property taxes and insurance came out to, I don't know, $5,000. Well, every month you were putting in money, you only put up to $4,000. So there's a shortage in your escrow. So what that means is that next year, that $1,000 shortage that you are short, they're going to tack it onto your monthly payment and divide it by 12. So they're going to do $1,000 divided by 12. If that is the case, what I would do is tell them, hey, is there any way that you can extend that to 24 months instead of 12 months? If you do that, you're already going to chop that in half. Okay. Or you can just pay it out. If you have, the extra money laying around, you can just pay it outright and it'll bring your payment down. So that's the first thing. The second thing I would do is look and call your homeowner's insurance or your insurance provider for your vehicle and ask if they do bundle insurance. If you can have your mortgage insurance and your vehicle insurance in one, typically on a bundle, it's gonna be a reduction, right? So that's another way that you can save it. Shop around for insurance every year to make sure that your property insurance is low, your homeowner's insurance is low, and then you also wanna make sure that your escrow is up to date and that it's going in there every month, it's paying it. If not, you wanna call, get it extended, and also protest your property taxes. That does help in the long run. It doesn't help in the short run, but it does help in the long run. And if you bought a home and you aren't a homestead exemption within that first year you bought it, fire a realtor. Nah, just kidding. Some realtors do miss explaining that to their clients, but you need to make sure you have a homestead on your property because that'll definitely help a lot. So quickest way, like I said, to save that money, if there's a shortage in your escrow, they probably tacked it onto the bill and divided it by 12 months, call it and ask them if they can extend it to 24 months, pay it outright, call your insurance and get a bundle. That'll help you guys.